Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin right now. Wipe loose dirt, put on gloves, and open a window. Use white vinegar because its mild acid dissolves iron oxide without etching stainless steel. Apply with a cloth and let sit 1 to 3 minutes. Once done, scrub gently with a nylon brush along the grain, never across it, to lift flakes. Make sure to blot with a damp microfiber to remove dissolved rust, then dry immediately so water spots don't form. You now tackle stubborn stains. Spread the baking soda vinegar paste over remaining spots and let it fizz. That mechanical action helps lift embedded rust. While it sits, use a soft bristled brush to scrub gently along the stainless grain. For seams and door edges, use a toothbrush so you don't scratch. Once the stain loosens, rinse with warm water to remove residue. Make sure to dry every surface with a microfiber towel. Moisture left behind can You finish by restoring protection. Apply a thin layer of mineral oil or dedicated stainless polish, rubbing with the grain to seal pores and repel moisture. Once polished, run your hand over the surface to confirm smoothness. Repeat light cleaning if any grit remains. If you discover pitting or deep corrosion, stop. Small home fixes won't hold. Consult a professional for filler or panel replacement. Troubleshooting tip: if rust returns, inspect for leaks, salty air, or chipped paint that exposes steel. Address the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.